Farrah, I've got a number of opals to show you. I'm going to start with C6. C6 is a gem grade opal. It has a lot of blue-green fire, and it's got this incredible black part of the black opal in the middle that you can see through it. It's also got a lot of other colors. It's about an 8 by 6 millimeter. This is C6. It's a very lovely gem grade opal. It's got a lot of other colors too. Let me see if I shine some more light on it, if you can see the other colors. Yeah, it's got reds. See, look at this. It's got reds when I shine it in the light like that. This is just an incredible, look at those colors, gem grade opal. And it would fit in design O. This is design O without any diamonds in it or anything. And when we set an opal ring, you do some things to the prongs that would make this opal fit. Right now it just sits at an angle. And that's why I'm not going to hold up these opals to the setting. I can hold it in front of the setting for you. Because when I actually set the opal, we do something to the inside of the prongs which makes it hold this opal size. So that's what an 8 by 6 millimeter opal looks like, though. I just wanted you to basically see the size. I can't really get my fingers away from it for you so you can see. It's a very nice size for an opal ring. Sorry, wasn't that clear. Couldn't get my fingers away from it, but I just wanted to show you what an 8 by 6 looks like. So the next one I want to show you is A3. That one was C6, that beautiful gem grade. This one is A3. A3 has incredible green fire, really incredible. Let's see if I can get it in focus for you. There we go. Whoops. Shined myself in the eyeball there. Look at the colors in this one. Incredible opal. It's a little bigger. It's about a 9 by 7. So 9 by 7 is just a millimeter bigger than an 8 by 6. And it will fit. I can make that same design, design O that you like, I can make that same design to hold an opal that is slightly bigger. That is no problem. I can do that. I designed those rings on the computer and I can adjust it. It is not very big. Like here's it on my finger, if I don't drop it. So you can see what size the opal is on the finger. It's not a very big size. A 9 by 7 is an ideal size for an opal because it's big enough for the opal to have color and small enough for it to be a smaller sized opal. That was A3, this is A4. Beautiful blue-green opal with some translucency in it. See if I get it closer and try and get it in focus for you what happens here. There you go. And this one is A12. A12 is a larger opal, has incredible fire, also a translucent body. Again, I can make this in that same ring design you like in O1, or I can put it in these other ring designs, M1, M, or N. Now M, I brought an M out for you so you can see what design M looks like. Design M has 2 diamonds on either side, and right now this example has an Ethiopian white opal in it, but you can also put a black opal in this setting. And you can see, if I can get this in the right place, it has 2 diamonds on each side. And if you wear it with the stackable wedding band, you were asking about having more diamonds. When you put it together with the stackable wedding band, all of these give you more diamonds. And you may want that. If you want more diamonds, that's a way to get more diamonds. We can solder these 2 rings together for you, and that's one way to do it. So this beautiful opal, number A12, would work in this setting. Let me see if I can get that in focus for you better. It would work in that setting right there. M as in Mary. Or the one with the large 1/3 carat diamonds is design N as in Nancy. And that is this one right here. N as in Nancy is this design, and I'm holding it up with the matching stackable wedding band. You can see what it looks like without it. How do I get you in focus? Right there. Beautiful big 1/3 carat diamonds. And this big opal, this opal would fit in there. Again, I have to just hold it over the setting because the prongs haven't been adjusted yet for it. But that's what it would look like. And then the one you liked, A14. A14 is the bolder opal that you liked. And A14 is a 9x7, and I think it will fit in this ring. I might be able to lean it in this ring. There, it sort of sits in that ring right now. And it would look beautiful with this beautiful 1/3 carat diamonds. It's not a very big opal, a 9x7, and if you want a lot of diamonds, then you want your opal to be a little bit bigger. It'll bring more color out in the opal to be slightly bigger than an 8x6. And it just, if you like bigger diamonds or more diamonds, it offsets the diamonds. So that's A14. I think you should stick with what you liked. It's a great idea. But I also want you to see this one, which is A15. A15 is one of my new opals. You haven't seen it in any other video. It's 8x6 millimeters, and it's got incredible green fire. Beautiful opal. Black Australian opal. Let's see if I can get that in better up close focus for you. It's a really nice one if you want an 8x6 opal. And that one does fit right in this 01 setting. Let's see, here's the 01 setting again. Don't drop it. And there, you can see what it would look like. Of course, there's no diamonds in this setting, but that's what it looks like. See if I can do this without dropping it. In there, I can't turn it too much so you can see the colors, but it would look about that size if you're looking at size. Remember, the diamond wedding band next to this gives you more diamonds. And then A16 is also a new blue-green opal that would fit in here in the O setting. Right now it's a little tilted, but it won't be tilted when I actually set the opal. That's just how they go. They're tight before I actually set them. That's a wonderful choice, this one. A16. So let me hold it up for you so you can see it by itself, so I can move it in the light and you can see this beautiful opal. It's a really bright gem grade green and yellow fire. Yellow fire is as rare as the red fire, which everybody likes. And the yellow fire really makes it jump out as a really bright opal. Beautiful greens and reds. Alright, there are a bunch of opals for you to look at and a bunch of settings for you to think about. Talk to you soon.